Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna make this cute koala. And today is, I hope, the day 6 of my embroidery challenge of 30 days. If you haven't watched my earlier videos, make sure you get over there and check it out. They are in the link in the description below and also tagged in the iCard. So here I'm starting with the 6 strands of the brown shade and making just the back stitch to complete the wooden part. All I want is to complete the style of whatever the line art is, the details. So I want to cover them all and just making a few buttonhole stitches, and then we'll continue for the vertical way the back stitch, or you can replace to any like a stem stitch or the split stitch to continue to design that. So today it's about 6 days has been there where I'm doing per day per project. So it's so encouraging. It's really encouraging because I can feel that I have improved in so much of the work. So I hope to get on the same pace and on the same path for the next coming days, and I hope to see better results. And with this, we are quite done with the wood thing. Let's complete the another side. Some long stitches to complete that lines over here. So now it's time to fill the leaves. For that, picking a shade of green with all the 6 strands in place, I'm just filling it up with the leaf satin. So it gets into a shape of a leaf. You can see this is quite a fresh tone. For a straight stitch, for that the stem of the leaf, and it's done. So now it's time to embroider the cute little koala, and for that I'm using same one color of thread, so with all the 6 strands in it. So to make sure that the outlines, the edges of his body are clear, even though whole thing is embroidered with one single shade, so I'm using the buttonhole stitch for his outlines, inner outlines like his legs. I will be using the same buttonhole stitch for his arms, face, and so that. So like this, just embroidering on the border. Once the border of his leg is quite done, I'm gonna fill it up with the long and short stitch. For completing the buttonhole stitch, just push the needle on the side. And let's do the long short. And because he is very small, so I'm using the long short stitches in a small way only. So simply, yes, you can see how the border is a different thing and how the space is getting filled up. So few more stitches for the space in between the two borders of his leg. And when done with that, I will simply finish it with the same buttonhole border on this side also. Like this. Make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon to my channel to be with me. And if you like these videos, such tutorials and challenges, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share with your friends too. So filling up his paw, and for that just using the darker shade and making a satin stitch because the area is very small. And I quite like how the same single stitch is coming up for his whole body that I have discussed earlier. And just completing his paw. After that, I'm using the same thread for making his eyes, nose and ears. Also, if you're enjoying this video with me right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay in tune with my channel